Now in Chinese, we are here. Real life Chinese at a hospital. Well, in this episode, simply I want to introduce one Hanzi to you. The third Hanzi in this phrase. So you might know 车 自助寻车 talking about 汉字寻 寻 is a synonym to 找 找 means looking for 寻 is a bit more formal, so right, this is a formal sign here. So 自助寻车 means like find your car by yourself. So this is a more formal sign here, right? So it uses the phrase 寻车. But here it says 找车, right? So here it's like, okay, finally you're gonna do it right now. So this is a bit less formal. So 找车. 找车路线. For instance, looking for a job. Informal. 找工作. 找工作. I'm looking for a job. 我在找工作. 我在找工作. More formal, I'm seeking a job opportunity in the field of something. Seeking job opportunities, we say 寻找工作机会. 寻找工作机会. Now in Chinese, that's pretty much it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like. I'll see you soon in the next one.